10 easy lines on traffic safety rules. Follow traffic signals. Red means stop, yellow means wait, green means go. Obey speed limits. Use proper left and right turn indicators. Don't run on roads. Always walk on the footpath. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Never lean out of the window or door of a moving vehicle. Avoid phone calls while driving. Keep left while driving or walking. Don't drink and drive. Wear helmet while riding two-wheelers. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.